minutes. Next, Yasmin will be singing a song called Rolling in the Deep by Adele. To the beat.